We now have the two wires from the rear hub motor and from the crank pedal. The larger one's a rear hub motor. So if we go to the top of the bike, there's an access port, and the larger of these two wires that we're going to pull out here comes from the controller. So we just have to figure out which one it is. And it can hang up. So what you have to be careful of, so if you see in there, when the wire moves, the bottom portion of that can hang. So we need to pull it out without disconnecting it, or it's going to be a lot bigger job. Let me get two hands, and there is the connector that goes up to the display. So now the third wire we just pull. They are tight, which is a good thing. We have the two wires from the bottom that we're pulling loose through this. So all this comes out as one big unit. We'll leave the grommet behind and reuse it. We have this wire loose, and that's the controller removed. On a future video, I'm going to open up that controller. Inside of the three screws there is connectors which have been glued together, and my theory is that the way this happened was gradually over time the display would be harder and harder to turn on, and I think the issue was loose connectors. So we'll take a look at that later, see if we can repair this. If not, I've ordered a number of these controllers because China suggested that they would not sell me one, so I had to order a bunch of them. If you need one, I'll leave a link in the description.